it's Paige here, and today we are at Vloggers Go Viral. Well, in Vloggers. Okay, so Vloggers, however you say it, if you guys have it. And this is a really fun game that relaxes your muscles because you have to tap. And I'm not tapping right now. So, right now, I'm doing a vlog. So you just tap, and then it goes up to your vlog. And then you have that many left, and then your tasks are complete, so you get money. And you're like, okay, and then you get money, and up here, you have to try to press those because they get you double. Okay, oh geez, this is comments, and it's just like you read them, and then you do that, and then until you get a bad one. You just press that. See, like that. And then right here is where you just see that. And then maybe, oh, not there. Oh, I'm all the way. And then you just try to get them as many as you can until you don't have enough money. So yeah. So yeah. Oh, I have one gem. So now I have one. So this is at level 30, which is really cool. So right here is like tell my mom's friend, update channel status. It's like all of those. So yeah. I don't have enough money. Oh wait, yeah I do. I don't know what this is. So yeah, so let's check out the wall of fame. So I'm at 1,000 subscribers right now. Not in my real channel. And then it goes all the way up to that many. I can't even say that. And then you just tap because it gets your muscles. Oh, I'll be right back. That, you guys. That was just an ad. It happens sometimes. And then this is just for like relaxing your muscles and like making them stronger. So yeah. So this is my character and we're streaming. Ooh, okay, drink 2 coffees. Okay. I don't know where the coffees are. So yeah. Oh, it's up here, right? I think. No, not in that one. Oh, I got my daily clam of money. Alright, so I can't find it, so let's see. I don't have full diamonds. Alright, so yeah, this is gonna have to end the video. So yeah, I recommend this game. It's really fun. So yeah. I would really recommend this game. It's really fun. Overall, it's really like good for your hands. So yeah. So there's an